Hello! Are you ready for the next topic? But before that, watch this first. Welcome to my channel. Okay, now let me ask Maria. Maria, do you know this? How about Marina? Do you know this? It's okay, but anyway, just listen carefully. What is a ratio? Ratio is a comparison of two quantities where there are 4 red apples and 3 green apples. Ratio can be written in a colon form or can be read as 4:3. Ratio can be written in a fraction form. Aside from being read as 4:3, it can also be read as 4/3. We use colon or fraction form as example x/y in writing ratios. Let's compare the number of mango trees to the total fruit trees planted in the Genesis orchard. Here is the ratio. 5:12 or 5/12. Ratios, like fraction, can be expressed in lowest term. Let's say, in a classroom, there are 4 boys and 2 girls. This can be read now as 4:2, and then when it is reduced in lowest term, it now becomes 2:1. Remember, ratio must express first in both measurement and unit. For example, 6 hours to 2 days, or 6 hours to 48 days. And it can be written as 6:48, or when reduced in the lowest term, it now becomes 1:8. The statement that two ratios are equal is called proportion. We have now 3:10 is equal to 15:50. 10 and 15 are identified as means, while 3 and 50 are the extremes. Let's define these terms. To find the cross products of a proportion, we multiply the outer terms that are called the extremes, and the middle terms are called the means. Let's have the first step. Write the proportion in fraction form. We have here n/3 is equal to 10 over 15. For the second step, multiply the extremes and then the means. Note that we use the raised dot for multiplication instead of x symbol. This is to avoid confusion. Again, n is multiplied to 15, then 10 is multiplied to 3. In order to get the value of n, proceed to the third step, which is divide the left and right sides. 15 divided by 15 and 30 should also be divided by 15. Then cancel 15 divided by 15, then n remains. Now divide 30 by 15 and the answer is 2. That means the value of n is 2. To check, replace n with 2 and then cross multiply, just like what we did a while ago. Let's multiply. 2 times 15 is equal to 30. Another 3 times 10 is equal to 30, which means that both ratios are proportion or equal to each other. Just simply familiarize the steps. We have the WMD or write, multiply, and divide. Now, it's your turn! I hope that you understand the process. Thank you for watching.